Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the video effect only to background in CapCut PC. So for example, I'm going to add the video and it is applies to photos as well. But I'm going to add the video. So go to effect and select the video effect that you like. For example, I'm going to select the negative effect and just for duration is something. You can see the effect. I want to place the effect only to background, so without the object. And how to? It's also very simple. You are just going to select the clip and effect, and then right click and select create compound clip. Go to media and add the same video, put on top another clip, so which is make as an overlay, put on top. Go to cutout and select auto cutout or chroma key to remove the background. So for this video I'm going to select auto cutout for remove the background automatically, and after done you can see for the final result like this, right? You can see the effect only applies to the background. So simple, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.